Hi everyone, today is just a quick follow-up tutorial from this one. I'm going to show you how to transfer from one Commune wallet to another Commune wallet using the Polkadot.js extension. Alright, let's get on with it. I'm going to start up my browser. Now, this time you can see that I'm using Firefox. Last time I used Chrome. Polkadot.js has an extension for both of them. I've already gone ahead and installed the extension. You don't need to see me do that again. I've also set up two different wallets so we can transfer from one to the other one. Go to communeai.net. This brings you to the Explorer, and that's where we're going to do the transfer. Okay, so once the page has loaded, open up your account. Now, you can open up your extension if you want, and just to verify that both these are the two accounts that you see here, loaded under the extension, which they should be. All right, so I'm just going to go back up to my extension, and then I'm just going to copy the key to the second wallet, because I'm going to transfer from the first one to the second one. So as I'm going to send from the first wallet, I click on the send button there. All right, so you remember I copied the key to the second wallet before, right? Okay, so I paste that in the first box. You select that wallet, you put in the amount that you want to send, and click on make transfer. Nice and simple. All right, so here you can check the details of the transfer. You can check that you're sending it from the right place to the right place, and also the amount. But you can also see potential fees as well. All right, so once you've checked everything, and everything's correct, you just go down and click on sign and submit. So next you need to enter your password from the wallet that you're sending from, and then you click sign the transaction. All right, so you can see here, 10 less in one account, and 10 more in the other one. And now we're done. Wasn't that simple? That's what we like. All right, that's it for today. Let me know if there's any other tutorials you'd like me to do. All right, talk to you later. See ya.